Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the Mutation Totem to boost mutation in Fish 8 game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already placed this Mutation Totem on this area. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Mutation Totem. The first method that you can try is buying the Mutation Totem from the traveling merchant. I'm going to go back to the Fisherman Island. Wait. And then we will find the traveling merchant. Wait, guys. Okay, this is the traveling merchant. And you can talk to the NPC and view the shop. And you will need 800k coins to purchase this mutation totem. And then guys, I'm going to show you the next method to get the mutation totem for free. So you just need to join the classic event guys. You can see the quest right here by tapping on this classic event menu. And you need to earn tags. And to earn tags, you just need to complete the daily quest. And you will be able to get this mutation totem. Okay, I have already unlocked this mutation totem. So I'm going to show you how we can use it. And to use the mutation totem, you just need to go to your inventory. You can go to the items menu or the inventory menu and go to the items, and the mutation totem will appear right here. And you can hold it on your hand and find a place to put on this mutation totem. And it's not permanent guys. After the time is over, it will disappear, so you can only use it once. Okay guys, and that's how we can get and use the mutation totem in Fish 8 game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!